Hi everybody, today I'm going to do an experiment on how to boil water without heating. So we have our chamber here, we're going to vacuum the air with the machine right here. And then we have our hot water, which is about, 182 Fahrenheit. And the water's usual boiling temperature is about 212 Fahrenheit, so it's way below that right now. We're gonna press into the chamber and then vacuum the air out and see what happens to the water. As you can see, the water is boiling under low air pressure because taking the air out decreases the air pressure, which also decreases the boiling temperature for water. And as you can see, I can lift it up, which means there's no air inside and it's vacuumed. And because of this, when you go up to higher altitudes, you can boil the water much faster and easily.